Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we are going to be playing Animal Jam. Obviously, I don't actually show this much content of Animal Jam on my channel. I'm not gaming this much anymore, like as much as I used to anymore. Anyway, this is a pretty new game to some people in the world. Actually, I do actually love Animal Jam. This is a very fun, creative game, and while you are playing, it teaches you some cool facts about animals around the world and stuff like that. That's why I really like it. It teaches you a lot about the world and stuff like that, and it's just really fun to play overall. I am technically addicted to it. Basically, a lot of my family is addicted to this game. It's just really fun, creative, and it tells you a lot about the world. I give this 5 stars. 5 stars for AJQ. Okay, guys? I give this 5 stars. Now, I just finished the race. And I'm obviously playing a mini game right now. See, fun fact. Dolphins can't breathe underwater. They breathe air at the surface with their little hole thingy in the top of their head. Is it like a snout or something? I guess so. Anyway, guys, what home membership gifts parents help gift? I don't need this. No, I don't need this. What is this? Hello? Hello? Guys, something happened to the game. Mom? Okay, my mom isn't here. Charlotte, where's Mom?
I don't know. She might be out back.
Okay, guys, my mom might be out back. Who cares? Really? 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 Okay, let's actually read this. Okay, for a bigger full-screen Animal Jam experience, download the Animal Jam on your PC or Mac. Download and play, I guess. Okay, how do I get out of this? I don't want to have to go through you. What just happened? Okay, guys, it's since we're back to the real world now. Okay, I have no idea what just happened. I'm just recentering my screen right here. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna continue playing this. Wait. I'm gonna try to, reach over here and get my dog clean. Okay, guys, this is a doggy cleaning game, and we will clean our doggy now. Spray them. Let's go blue. That's my favorite color, if you didn't know. Let's go green. That's our true favorite color, if you don't know him. He's my friend. And, yeah, he lives in Indiana, too. He will be in my next video, I think. Yes. I think he will. Now we just cleaned our dog, too, so. Anyway, Erickson, yeah. He's my bud. He's, like, my best friend. Anyway. I'm trying to, put him into one of my videos. Hopefully I can. So, yeah. Let's just count on that. Anyway, guys, my screen keeps getting all wonky. I am sorry about that. Where should I go? Where should Temple of Zeus. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go play some games at the arcade. I think I'm gonna play this game. I love this game. I thought it would like fire up until he got into the middle and then but I'd rather play Spider Zapper actually. I don't think I'm really good at it. single player game. Hard. Hey. Hey, what? Watch your manners. Watch your manners, son. Watch your manners. Nope. Watch your manners. Seriously? I thought I was a pro at that game. Anyway, listen guys, I'm sorry if this is not just showing, my normal screen. I'm still fidgeting around with the screen Catomatics. Catomatics, my sister said. I'm gonna play this game. Wind Dragon. Okay, let's see what this game is. Okay. Okay, pretty simple game. I like it. Guys, also, if you do not have Animal Jam, I think it would be a great idea to download it. It's a pretty fun game. I will give this part of slack or credit, whatever you want to call it, to AJHQ because I think they have made an epic game that everybody should play. It's a very fun, educational game. I want them to just keep improving this game, keep making this better. Also guys, just thank you so much for the support. On my side, all the games I've recommended for their side, I haven't recommended many games, but I love that you give me a lot of support. I love that you guys do that. You mean a lot to me because you are my fans, and I try to make you happy with my content. I know you do like my content sometimes. Sometimes it's really boring content, because I really have no idea what to do on that day. At the time, I apologize when I do have very boring content. Anyway, so yeah, I do apologize for that stuff. Now, I'm actually gonna go around trading people now. I can't trade you. Okay. No, I can trade. Seriously, bro. I'm gonna check out these because actually, I kind of like your style, bro. I kind of like your style of this den. I kind of like. I'm gonna say something to this guy. Like. Okay. I like your den. It's cool. I'm gonna say something positive. I like your den, it's cool. I'm gonna see what trades you have. I'm gonna give this guy some love. I'm gonna give this. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm just gonna kill this guy. Yeah. I actually need to welcome that really bad for for my house. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna place this nice and neat right here. Okay, now I'm going to give you a tour of my Animal Jam house. Obviously. Should I go in this? Yeah. Where does this even go to? Oh. Right, I linked it to my other den. I forgot. Yeah, this is my other den that I really hate. Sorry not to offend you, den, but I like this den, kind of. It's my sit-down den. Why am I glitching? This is a glitch, guys. Okay, guys. Maybe I can just go back to my house. Okay. So here's my kitchen right here. This is, whatever the frick this is. Okay, how do I turn this on again? Seriously? I always lag. There we go. I like that. I like this little guy. He's cool and cute. I like that AJHQ made that thing. These things I really like, and I'm glad AJHQ made them. I think they're really cool, honestly. Honestly, I am in love with AJHQ right now. They're making so much fun stuff. Now this is like kind of my machine area, stuff like that. Just random area, random stuff, like that. Anyway, so yeah, if you want to see some more gaming content, just like it up and click that little bell to get notified about every new video I post. Subscribe if you are new here and you want to subscribe. I don't have anything against you if you don't subscribe, obviously, because I'm a nice guy. Also, back to the tour. This is my gaming area. Yeah, simple gaming area. Now, this is my place where I have tea. And there's my water slide. Now, okay, this was not moving for a second. This is like trying to recreate my gaming area. So yeah, because I have a TV kind of like this, and my Xbox is right there. Yeah. This is where I can DJ. This is where I can be a DJ. DJ Sniper Wolf. I'm just kidding. But I do like Sniper Wolf. SS Sniper Wolf. I like your content. I love it. Also, some of my friends like your content. So, yeah. Keep making that nice content. It's very nice content. I'm just gonna say that. Me and my friends like your content. So, yeah. See y'all next time. So, yeah. See y'all next time on Alex Eos, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed this nice content, and again, just see y'all next time on Alex Eos. Comment down below if you'd like some more Animal Jam content. So yeah, see you guys later. Yeah, peace out.